That moved to the so-called FinFET, where to make things shorter and quicker, therefore you had to surround the channel with the gate, try to control the electrostatics, if you will, of the device more carefully in these cases. Now, what's being proposed are basically these kind of thin rectangular sheets, really, of the semiconductor. And the idea is to be able to etch in between those and coat them with dielectrics and surround that whole thing with a gate in some way to enable even more current, yet smaller devices. You can see things have clearly gone from a sort of a 2D world to a 3D world as far as the transistors are concerned. So these kinds of properties, these are I think silicon in this case. People made these out of 3,5 materials and so forth, and they really are brute force etching and sculpting these layers. One thing about 2D materials is that in principle they could be automatically digitized by single layers. And it's possible that if we can figure out a way to integrate them in a structure like this, it's much easier to make, much cheaper to make, and hopefully